guys, welcome back to the Nitro Learning Python course. Today, we'd like to introduce you to the next section of Python called control flow. So, let's get started. What is control flow? So control flow is basically directing your code to go different directions if certain things happen. We'll be covering if, elif, and else statements, loops, for and while, range, comparison operators, and booleans. This is probably the most important section in Python. This is the big deal. It's often in every program and is a vital part of Python. I cannot explain how important control flow is. Now, we'll see you in the next lecture where we'll be learning about booleans. Then, if you want a syllabus, we'll be learning about comparison operators after that, then if, elif, and else, then for and while loops, and lastly, the range operator. See you in the next lecture. I hope you learned something, and as always, this was Nitro Learn.